Hi all. So we are going to present interview room, a sample application which has been built on top of EDP platform, that is Radisys Engage Digital platform. So you can see here, basically this platform is enable a interview panel to take the interview from the this application. So whenever the candidate receives a URL, so he can just open that URL, thus he will be redirected to this interview room page, and here the time duration will be given to him. So since now 12:40, we can see the time is also 0, so thus his room got created and it is ready to join. So once we click on this join,
You will be joined to interview conference. Best of luck.
so there will be an announcement at the beginning regarding the interview joining. So once the announcement is done, directly the candidate will be allowed to join to the conference room. So let me just candidate can turn on his camera. So I'll just keep it minimized here. Apart from that, one more thing is this interview tool. Why we need to use this interview tool? So this is not only a just interview room concept. Rather, here we have also embedded some inbuilt coding structure where your candidate can execute set of codes, and he can get the live output over here. And it literally supports around 40 languages. Any of this can be selected by the candidate, and this is basically live also, you can see here. So this is a real-time compiler which will just give the which will compile your code and give the output. So this like this a user can able to run his code over here. And there will be other set of options which are not yet been implemented, but this could be like futurely enhanced, where whiteboard and git and other documentations can be given over the call, so it can be used by the candidate. And now here this is a normal ESMP, this is the normal Engage Digital portal, demo portal, which has been published by Radisys, by the way. So I'll be as an interviewer. I have registered here. This is another person, let's say. So he has registered as an interviewer, and he will be joining to the same room where the candidate already exists. So you can see here the video of candidate is literally being sent to the interviewer also. This fellow can able to the candidate can able to mute, unmute, mute, unmute. He can mute his audio as well. He can also share his screen, which is the screen share functionality which we have used, which is again in the Engage Digital SDK. So I'll be selecting some Python program thing here. So we can see this particular section will be seen by this fellow. So even he can stop sharing, and he can share any of the things. Maybe he can share his own screen as well, entire screen also he can able to share. And okay, so anyhow, since my whole screen is being selected, everything is looping here. Just let me select any of other tabs just to show you. So he can select any other tab also. For example, so here, okay, window, we have PowerShell here, so he can select PowerShell so that this content will be seen to the another party at this point. So whatever the client is being, whatever the candidate is being done, that will be streamed to the interviewer as well. On top of this, again it will start streaming his video. So this is basically overall implementation with respect to this interview room using EDP platform. We try to cover a few of the APIs like mute, unmute, first of all join, that is call API, make call API, and then some join API, some mute, unmute, and screen share APIs, also some disconnect API that what we have planned to use. So I'll just disconnect the call. So once the disconnect is done, so immediately we can see here, since the time is already done, so this join button will be get disabled. So this is what the overall implementation that what we have done using a small use case what we have implemented using EDP Engage Digital platform. Thank you all.